Before you show, go. Are you pregnant or even think you might be pregnant? Before your second missed period, or if you even think you might be pregnant, go to your doctor or nearest health facility for prenatal care. The prenatal period is an important time of preparation, both physically and mentally. Most important is the first prenatal visit to the doctor, which should be soon after the first missed menstrual period, long before you even start to show. During prenatal care, the health provider will monitor the progress of your pregnancy to ensure maternal health and normal fetal development, as well as provide health management and treatment as required. Prenatal care ensures that the woman reaches the end of her pregnancy physically and emotionally prepared for her delivery. If you even think you might be pregnant, visit your doctor or nearest health facility for your health and the health of your baby. Before you show, go. Message brought to you from the Ministry of Health and UNICEF.